Hello students, welcome to Rohit Tutorials. In this lecture, we will discuss the DFA problem in theory of computation. The problem statement is design a finite automata that reads a string made of letter in the word university and recognize this string that contain the word unity as a substring. Means we are having the university word, from that we have to find out the unity word as a substring. We are having UNIVERSITY letters, from that we have to find out the unity word. If we recognize this unity word, then our finite automata accept that string. So in this we are having the minimum string as a unity. If suppose only unity letter is there, word is there, then that string is accepted by our finite automata. So this is we consider as a minimum string. So we know that how to design a finite automata for minimum string. So we always start with Q0 state. Suppose at Q0 state U is occur, it goes to Q1 state. When at Q1 state N is occur, it goes to Q2 state. At Q2 state I is occur, it goes to Q3 state. At Q3 state T is occur, it goes to Q4 state. And at Q4 state Y is occur, it goes to Q5 state. So this is UNITY, that is unity. If such a string is recognized, then we consider this as a final state Q5. So at Q0 state, apart from this, suppose any letter is come from this. Suppose university, U letter is there, N letter is there, I letter is there, U letter is there, E letter, R, S, again I, T and Y. We consider I for only one time. So apart from this U, any other letter is come at Q0 state, so we remains it at Q0 state, because we are interested only in U to move from Q0 state to Q1 state. So apart from this U, N is there, next I is there, next V is there, next E is there, next R is there, again S is there, I we have taken already, again T is there and Y is there. If string is start with suppose T unity, then T remains at Q0 state, and for unity we consider these following steps and reach to the final state. Next, at Q1 state, suppose U is occur. At Q1 state, suppose U is occur, suppose string is like that. Unity, as it consisting of unity as a substring, yes. So whenever at Q1 state U is occur, so keep remains it at Q1 state. Suppose U. At Q1 state, apart from this U, any other symbol is occur. Apart from this U and N. Suppose if at Q1 state N is occur, so we move to the Q2 state. And at Q1 state, suppose U is occur, so we remain at Q1 state. So apart from this U and N, any letter is occur from the university letter, we directly shift it to or move it to the Q0 state. Okay. So which letter? N, U, N. So for that we are having the transaction. Next I is there. After that V is there. After that E is there. Next R is there. After that S is there. I we have taken already. T is there. And last is nothing but Y is there. At Q1 state, suppose I, V, E, R, S, T, Y comes, so we transmit it to the Q0 state. Next is at Q2 state. Suppose at Q2 state, unity word be recognized, So at Q2 state, suppose after this n, again U is come and unity word is there. Suppose whenever at Q2 state, suppose U is occur, because at Q0 state U is occur goes to Q1 and Q1 to Q2 again U. So if we provide the self loop, so what happen? U and unity. Such a word is there. U and again U self loop, again n is there, so we can't move forward or further. So that's why this transaction is incorrect. If we provide whenever U is come at any state except that final state, we move it to the Q1 state, or we do this transaction to the Q1 state from the remaining state. Whenever U is occur at the states Q2, Q3 or Q4, whenever U is occur, it transmit it to Q1 state. Okay, next when the U is occur, U and ITY unit is completed. Again for Q3, again U is occur, we again transmit it to Q1 state. Again at Q4 state, U is occur, we again transmit it to Q1 state. So Q2 state, I transaction is completed, U transaction is completed. What about other later? If suppose at Q2 state, suppose n is occur, what happen? Suppose at Q2 state I is occur, it goes to Q3. Suppose V is occur, what happens? Suppose E is occur, what happens? Suppose R is occur, what happens? Suppose S is occur, what happens? T is occur, and Y is occur, what happens? What happens? NVERSTY, because we are concerned with unity word, so any other letter come at Q2 state, we directly move it to Q0 state. Any other NVERSTY. So we are considering this. Next at Q3 state, suppose any of the letter is come, suppose U is come, we are provide this transaction, T is come, we are providing this transaction. Apart from this U and T, any other letter is come, we are moved to Q0 state. Means U transaction is completed, T transaction is completed. After that, what remains? N, I, V, E, R, S, T already completed, and Y. Next is at Q4 state, Y transaction is completed and U transaction is completed. Other than this U and Y, any other letter come at Q4 state, we move it to Q0 state. So what letter comes apart from this U and Y? N, I, V, E, R, S, I already taken, and T. Because whenever Y is come at Q4 state, we are moving to Q5 state, and last is after the completion of this unity, any other letter is come, we are remains it at Q5 state. I already taken T and Y. So this finite automata accept the string which consisting of a substring unity. This is the final TFA for the given problem, which recognize the unity as a substring from the word university. I hope you understood this. Thank you.